Alright guys, as you know on the title, I messed up. So what I mean by that is that I underestimated this repair. Let me show you what I mean. How you doing guys? This is Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with a quick video this time on a 2017 Civic, Honda Civic. So let me show you guys the damage. Alright guys, after further inspection, this dent is a lot larger than the 3 inches that I saw when it was outside, so I'm human, but let me show you what I'm talking about here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you have the deeper impression right here, and then it actually goes up. And I'm going to pan so you can see it. It's right here basically. So that was my fault for doing the inspection outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and repair everything, and she'll be happy. Actually, there's a little dent down here that I'm missing, so I don't know what exactly happened to this vehicle and what caused the damage, so we're gonna fix everything for it. So let's get started. Totally underestimated this dent. It goes all the way this far up as this here, and as low as here. So it is what it is, but definitely underestimated this repair. And let me explain to you guys the reason. I did this estimate outside. It was very frigid, so I wanted to kind of get inside as fast as I possibly could. I don't like big jackets, so I always wear something light. It's like 22 degrees outside, but anyway, I didn't put a light on it. The car was very dirty with salt and road grime, so I figured the damage was right here, no bigger, maybe another inch, but I mean, it created a buckle up here, there's a dent here, a big nasty buckle here, so a high spot here, crown is what they call it. So I'm probably going to spend another hour on this repair, just because I didn't actually estimate this properly. But it is what it is. No one's fault. Alright guys, let's take a look at the finished product. I don't know if you guys can see this outside. Probably not, but I'll cut into an inside shot with the light if you guys can't see it.